Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're having a great week and Happy New Year. Um, have you thought about what you wanted to do for this new year? What was a New Year's resolution did you come up with? And we were thinking in class about different things, learning to read, learning our letters, learning our sounds, um, making sure that we did something for ourselves, maybe exercising, making sure we're drinking plenty of water, maybe eating healthy foods, maybe keeping our room clean every day. So thinking about something that you wanted to do this year that maybe you didn't do last year. And so we talked a little bit about resolutions. So mine is drinking more water or drinking lots of water. Um, Maybe yours is to learn how to tie your shoes or to put your coat on by yourself or button or zip your coats by yourselves. Learning to ride your bike. So be thinking about what your goal is for the new year. Maybe a New Year's resolution, something that you want to try to do or accomplish. So be thinking about that. Well, I'm doing your literacy portion of videos. This is part 3. And this is, remember your My View book. It's the green workbook. We're on week 4 in our workbook. And this is the third 6 weeks. Remember to work on learning your letters, A to Z, but out of order. Remember to practice your sounds every day. Remember to focus on the vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and they make 2 sounds. So when you're sounding out words, you're going to have to think whether you need the long vowel or the short vowel. So make sure you practice your sounds. Make sure you do them out of order. Make sure to practice your high frequency words. We've sent home pages of words. We've also, I'll have them on this slide, one of the slides here. And just contact your teacher if you need additional papers, if you can't find them, or you need help with finding those or need it sent to you. Also, you can put the words on index cards that your child needs. You can put your letters also on index cards if you need them. Also, make sure you're doing the Path Blazers daily, the reading and the math. Google Classroom is where you'll find your child's assignments. It has their lesson, their activities, and videos for certain subjects. Make sure Path Blazers, it's through the district that they want the kids to use. It's a good resource for them to help them learn things that they need to learn for reading and also for math. If you need help logging in, just contact your teacher and she can help guide you. Here's the letters of the alphabet. Let's do them out of order. Ready? G, F, E, D, C, B, A, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, Z, Y, X, W, V. And those were the uppercase or the capital letters. Now let's go over the lowercase letters and let's do them out of order. Ready? G, F, E, D, C, B, A, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, Z, Y, X, W, V. So hopefully you know all of those letters. That was the lowercase. And then make sure you practice the sounds. So if we do the sounds A, A, B, 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 C, D, 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 E, 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 F, G, 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 H, I, 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 J, 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 K, and it sounds just like C, L, M, N, O, R, P, Q, R, S, T, 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 U, uh, 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 V, W, X, Y, yeah, 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 Z, Z. So make sure and practice those every day so that you can remember those. Okay, and I don't have the sound for the video, but it's under Have Fun Teaching and it'll have the alphabet. Also, you can do Have Fun Teaching and then include the letter that you want. You can put Have Fun Teaching letter A, Have Fun Teaching letter B, and that'll give your child a chance to practice that letter, practice the sound, and also practice things that start with their letter. Okay, this is one of our sight word lists for kindergarten that's in our program. We also have another word list that we send home as well. So make sure they're practicing the words for Unit 1. Here's Unit 2. And then here's Unit 3. And we'll go over the words real quick. Ready? Was, said, where, any, come, play, down, her, how, away, give, little, funny, were, some, going, no, live, or live. And so make sure you practice those every day. And we're practicing in class. Make sure you know them one at a time. You can put them on index cards and use them as flashcards to practice the words. Okay, next we have words to make words, and I'll be changing my slide in just a second. You can get your journals to practice the words that we're going to do. Okay, so we're going to make some words, and you can use your journal to practice with me. So I'm going to say a word and then you try to write it, and then I'll show you how you should have spelled the word. We're going to use the short A, and we may also use the long A. First word is lap. Lap. How do you spell lap? Okay, you should have done L, A, P. Okay, next word Can. Can. How do you spell can? Use your journal and try to write it down. Try to sound out all three letters. K, a, n. Can. Can. It sounds like K, but this one is C. Okay. Next one. Ran. 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 If you notice, we have letters that are red, that's the vowels because they make two sounds, and the ones that are in black are the consonants. The consonants. Next word, map. 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 So you have to say the word slowly to hear all the letters in that word. Map. Okay, did you get it right? And if not, it's okay. We're in kindergarten and this is where we learn and we practice to get better. And sometimes when I would say it in class and I say map, they thought I was saying the t sound, and that would be letter T. So this one is map and not mat. Next word, wrap. 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 So you have ah. If you notice all the A's in the word, so we have the ah sound. Next word, cat. 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 And it sounds like K, but this one is C. So we have k, a, t, cat. Next word, fat. Fat. At. Fat. We have a, t. Hope you're getting it right. Okay, and now I'm going to show you a couple of words with the E and the long A. I don't want to confuse you, but we're going to change over a little bit. I'm going to do two words before our time is up. And we're going to add the E to the word. Okay, so first word I'll give you, we had fat. But if I put an E at the end of the word, and we call this sneaky E or silent E, it doesn't make a sound, and it changes the vowel to the A sound. So it's a t, fate, and so that word is fate. Okay, so let's do can. Can, then the N. Okay, so we have can. And now I'm going to add that sneaky E. Doesn't make a sound. It's real quiet. It changes the vowel to the long sound for A. And the long sound for A is just A. So now the word is a